What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Jacob Zuma attended where the voting was taking place, of the motion of no confidence against Premier Ntamintuli. But what is surprising, is that before the voting even began, Jacob Zuma left the legislature and went probably home. It's really surprising because you would expect Zuma, to stay throughout the voting because his appearance there, it seemed as if it was to show support to his MK members, and maybe even intimidate some ANC members, and try and steal a vote or two because all they needed, MK is just one vote from the ANC and their deal is done. But anyway, Zuma left before the voting even began, and probably, I think it's because he realized that the NFP is no longer on their side. But anyway, this is the kind of sad news that occurred. Zuma left before the voting even began. I'll catch you guys on the next one.